Hi, this is Kathleen Bonzik. On March 1st, 2016, the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission announced that for the first time in that organization's history, it was bringing litigation on behalf of two employees alleging sexual orientation discrimination. This is a first in the history of the EEOC, which has been around since the mid-1960s. And the EEOC will principally receive and investigate charges of discrimination, but it's relatively rare when the EEOC's in-house counsel will, as here, serve as attorneys for these two plaintiffs in the two separate lawsuits. What are some of the facts of the underlying cases as alleged by the plaintiffs? There's two cases. One of them involves a female worker who happens to be gay. She's a lesbian, and alleging that she was subjected to harassment in the workplace on the basis of her sexual orientation. The other case involves a gay male who was employed at a healthcare center, and he's alleging that he was subjected to vulgar comments about his orientation, his sex life. He was subjected to vulgar epithets, and so on. And who was the person he's saying engaged in this conduct? His supervisor, his manager. And what did he do? He went to, he says, an organizational higher up, somebody higher up on the organizational chart than his manager, and he complained. What did the company do in response? Did they protect him? Did they put a stop to the discrimination? Did they counsel? Did they fire? Did they take any type of corrective action against the manager? No. What this plaintiff is saying happened is that the person he complained to said, your manager's just trying to do your manager's job. The employee tried to continue working under those conditions. He ultimately could not. He quit. So it's a case of a constructive discharge, and that happens when the plaintiff is alleging that the conditions are so intolerable in the workplace that a reasonable person could not be expected to put up with it, and he had no choice but to quit. So those are the two cases involving sexual orientation discrimination that are currently being prosecuted in federal court. I'll continue to monitor these cases, and I'll continue to report about them. This is Kathleen Bonzik. Thank you very much for watching and for listening today.